Hi everyone, welcome to Bright Spark Learning. Do you think in is only used for places like in the room? No, it's much more than that. Let's learn all the uses of in just a few minutes. We use in to talk about general time periods, not exact times. For examples, in July, in 2025, in the morning, in the evening, in summer, in the 21st century. So, when you are talking about months, years, seasons, or parts of the day, use in. In also shows that something is inside or surrounded by something. For examples, in the room, in the bag, in the car, in the sky, in India. So, use in when something is located within a space or area. In can show your feelings or your conditions. For examples, in pain, in love, in danger, in trouble, in fear. These describe emotional or physical states. We use in when we talk about someone's clothing or appearance. For examples, she is in a red dress. He came in uniform. They looked smart in black. So, if you want to say what someone is wearing, use in. It also shows membership or being part of a group. For examples, in the team, in the class, in the list, in the group. It shows you belong to a certain category. We also use in to talk about where something is written or spoken. For examples, in the newspaper, in a book, in English, in Hindi, in a movie. So, when referring to language or media, use in. In also shows when something or someone enters a place or becomes part of it. For example, come in, he got in the car, she walked in happily. Here, in is showing movement into something. So, small but so powerful, isn't it? Let's revise the uses of in. Time, place, condition, clothes, group, books, movement. In is a small word but very useful. Did you find it helpful? Like, comment, subscribe. And tell me in the comments which preposition should I explain